What up, my people? How y'all doing today? I hope you're having a great day, and if not, I hope we get better soon. I mean, we a couple hours away from New Year, and I hope everything you wish to accomplish in the past year, you make it happen. And if it doesn't make it happen, that is not the end of the world. You still got another year to, you got another day. Let's just say you got another couple of hours, you got another minute to fix things. So I hope everything you wish yourself come through in the year 2023. And I hope y'all are working hard. I hope y'all stay safe, stay healthy. Make sure you stay out of trouble for the night. And let's get into this video. With that said, let's get into this video. And yeah, actually really haven't paid attention to the winter white card a lot because I just don't know why. I feel like everybody's seen it already. So it's not like a point of view of you talking about it because like damn everybody's seen it, Ain't no special. What the heck? What the heck? I feel like everybody's seen it, so we kind of Gucci that. Yeah, give me why. So everybody's seen it, so it's not like anything special. You get me? But yeah, with that said, let's go see what they give us. And Silas katompa Mvumpa, katompa Mvumpa wamakitunga. Damn, that boy is a killer. He's a 5-star skiller. I wish they could give him 5-star skill week 4. He can play striker. Oh my god, it was smoke, man. Like that was shit like that was so bad. You know what I'm saying? Bro, it was so good though. 93 acceleration, 96 sprint speed. The thing is that agility is very good. The balance is not 80, but if you can boost the balance, 92 finishing. Dang, short power is not the best. Long shot is not the best. Volley is not the best. But he has 90 penalties, which means that boy is goaded on penalties too. Attacking position, class. 91. Reaction, oh my god, reaction is low though. 77 reaction. You get in trouble with that, especially in big games, unless you're just a skillful player that just against dribbling is very good, ball control up there. Composures, and I think if you do this card, you want to slap him back on the wing because that's where he belongs. It belongs on the wing where he can just dribble everybody. Heading accuracy is not even good. Stamina. Jumping is not that bad. It's 67, 81 strength. I expect him to be way more better, like stronger than this, but he's from Congo. He has a high medium work rate. Sees to, yeah, just throw him on the wing, bro. Just throw him on the wing. This boy, they cannot take it. But he has some player trait. His player traits are injury prone, flair, and speed dribbler, and technical dribbler. Which means, with all this, he can really smoke, man. For real. He's that guy. Especially if you have a Bundesliga team, he's that guy. Let's see what he's looking like, bro. But now he has Bundesliga 1 million in your starting squad, team of the week in your starting squad, in your starting 11, team overall rating 84, numbers of playing in your squad 11. I think it's worth it. Especially, but don't play him as a striker. He's not a striker, so don't even try and slap him on a striker. Like they just put a striker on him so they can get another position on him. But in my opinion, I don't think he's a striker. You should play him as a striker. You shouldn't play him as a striker. Play him as a wing. Slap him on the wing. Let him do his thing. Let him do his thing on the wing. And you're gonna have a lot of fun with him. But if you slap him and wherever you don't want to slap him, you're gonna hate it by the end of the conversation because you're gonna be like, why do I do that? Why do I do that to myself? Because you're not gonna like it. You feel me? Let's do this daily thing. Let's get it. And yeah, do you see what Alan did today, guys? Alan is a ridiculous player, bro. He scored the most goal before the year turnover. He scored 21 goals in 16 games. Like, that just makes no fucking sense. I'm sorry, but it makes no sense what he's doing. Like, obviously, it's great. What he's doing is great, but it's not even fair. He's a freak of a nature. We've got a draft token pack, which is very, very good. Squad builder. I'll do it. I'll do it a bit later. Let me go see if we have anything. I'll come back to you if we don't have anything else. In the swap, do we have anything else in the swap? But we all grown up. All the girls. Is not carrying Trippier. Trippier. It's actually a good card. 88 pace. I didn't even know. I'm actually tempted to do it. He can play. He's a right back. He can play right wing back. He can play right mid. There's a long throwing. Free kick accuracy is Maza. 89. He should have more. I'm expecting he should have more in a card like that. Just madness free kick. Let's see what packs we got. Let's open some new packs. Let's see if we can get something new. EA, give us some nice. He plays Dominguez. He plays in Bologna. If I'm not wrong, I feel like I know most of my team is Argentina. Jay-Z Gay plays in Bologna. Damn right. Abdelhamid. He's in World Cup. Think so. Give me some nice EA. This type of pack they used to juice for me. I just told you, this is the type of pack EA always juice for me. I'm like that. Talk to me, baby. I'm like that. But watch when I open a jumbo pack and I get nothing. When I open jumbo pack, when I open real player pack, I get nothing. But when I open shit like this, they be blessing me. This is how I get Mvumpa, bro. I'm like that. Stop playing with me, son. Now I got a folder though. I got a folder. He's gonna go in the SBC because I can't use it. His space is horrendous. Attacking position is ridiculous though. He's so good. Any accuracy is so good. I thought this year again? 6-1. High. 3-star skill move, 4-star wait for. Is it good? Yes, he's good. If you're gonna play him as a cam, but you're gonna have to slap onto on him or some shit like that. I can make him. His finish is good. His shot power is not the best. He has a long shot. He has a volley on him. He has a curve on him. His player still is solid. Player leadership and outside full shot. I don't even know how like war all this solid and lead. I know solid player probably is just it's good. Leadership I don't know how it works. Type of shit. I don't know how the trait works on players, but I think they just give it to them because it is what it is. But yeah, his agility and balance is not the best, and he's 6'1". He's gonna be falling off the ball. His reaction, let's see his reaction. His reaction is 94. Ridiculous. Ball control. Dribbling is not the best neither. He's getting old. 84 is born in what? 1989. Time is checking up on him too. Time is really checking up on him. But hey, that's the world of football. Let's see the promo pack. Let's see what they got for us in the promo pack. 106 time. 500k. One touch no storm 300k. Is he tradable though? Yes, he is tradable. You're gonna get an icon from that. Is it worth it? In my opinion, hell yeah. If you get a free icon. See, they don't give me none. I think this in the promo pack and this type of preview pack, they want to make money. This type of pack you should give us like that team of the week, that lower rated team of the week, 81, 82, 83 type shit. So people are more interested in opening that type of packs and actually buying and going through with it. But until then, you're not gonna catch me here. Keep doing what you're doing. Do it to the people you want to do it to, but not gonna be me. 83 plus player. Give me some nice. Give me one of them. Give me one of the thing. One of the winter white card. Fuck off. Fuck right off. I mean, Mariano's a good player in real life, but his card is not the best, but it's still the same. I'm not giving you a free card back. Give me something free, I'm not giving it free back. I was trying to give them free back, but they don't be showing love my hours, so in a couple of hours. Oh shit, 22 hours. I'm gonna get him out of here. Thinking about doing him. think by this time tomorrow is gonna be down. Say not even SBC we can use them. Oh, God, hey. Let's see. I'm gonna take one for the team I have to. You know what? 81 player pick. Let's give it a try. Waka. This to get a 3. Let's give it one try, just one try. I'm trying to give it up. Yeah, right. Give it up. Bombing. Maestro Kipembe. Paul Pogba. La pioche poulet. La pioche. Oh, we are grown up. Give me one eye already. Use them all. Vinny. I'm gonna use him for this because I know if I don't use him, everybody will be on Mazza. Every time I open back now and I got this, I put out using footage. Minimum of 3. No, I'm about to go buy Martinez. Get me Martinez right now. Emmy, get over here, son. Lola's a lot on me. Even though I know something behind. Cause every day is getting colder. I've been feeling I can hold you. You keep my hands from going under. Ooh. Yeah, they're about to do me dirty again. Yeah. Dicks. I know he's gonna do that shit. I knew he was gonna do that shit. Bro, every time I go buy Martinez, they just always crash my game for no reason, bro. Robertson. Milinkovic is a goalkeeper. And they're from the same country too. Where they at? Serious? Are you kidding me, EA? Don't do that. I hate when they make me have to do it again. I don't know. Is it a glitch, bro? Every time I do SBC on this when I'm recording, it's actually just always doing the same shit. This time they're gonna get worse. Solar. Every time you see go take. Say now only if you catch my fire. Honor me desire. Let's go buy him. like him, chop banana like monkey. Go suffer nah money. Say no, who will be catching my fire? Pasalic is so good. Such a baller. He's such a baller in it. I wish sometimes I can pause my stream so I don't have too much clip. That I mean. I go with who will be catching my fire? Honor may you desire. Very long time. I've been looking for my Georgie. I'm in contact. Girl, you deserve that loving, you know. Telling me to high, man. Are you cocaine or something? You know. Me, I know we may of Lagos, but I go home in your city, girl. Your body's up to something. You give me overload. Are you cocaine or something? You give me on a low, low. Your body's up to something. You give me overload. Are you cocaine or something? You pull me on a low, low, low. I keep dirty on my body. Cause I give you special loving. Cause I've been on your case, so how you been wasting time? Cause I've been on your case, so you gonna join my high. Cause I've been on your case, so baby show me mercy. I'm the one who's searching. I'ma go with me daily. I'ma go buy me lolly. Yeah, I deserve to something. You give me over. Let's open this. And to end the video, give us nice. Come on. Already? God dang. Give me some nice, yeah. Some nice. Nigeria. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. OC, man. You want to bamba? Good job, good job, good job. Yeah. Thanks for pulling up through. Thanks for making it happen. Peace.